The monsoon session of Parliament began on Monday and is scheduled to continue till August 13, with 25 days of proceedings and 19 sittings. The government is expected to introduce and seek approval for several key legislations, including the Supreme Court Number of Judges Amendment Bill 2026, Prevention of Insults to National Honor Amendment Bill 2026, Registration of Births and Deaths Amendment Bill, Income Tax Amendment Bill, and Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises Development Amendment Bill 2026. Prime Minister Narendra Modi urged lawmakers to ensure constructive discussions, saying that every voice should get an opportunity to be heard and that debates should be based on facts and logic rather than disruption. However, the first day of the session witnessed repeated disruptions in both houses, leading to early adjournments. In the Lok Sabha, proceedings were stalled amid opposition slogans demanding discussions on alleged irregularities in the NEET examination and issues related to the Sri Ram Janmabhoomi Tirth Khetri Trust. Now, despite appeals from the chair and Speaker Om Birla for smooth functioning, the House was adjourned multiple times. In the Rajya Sabha, proceedings were also disrupted after opposition members raised the NEET UG paper leak issue and alleged suppression of student protest, following which Chairman C.P. Radhakrishnan adjourned the House.